Life of turtles. Turtles are fascinating creatures that have been around for millions of years. They are reptiles that belong to the order Testudines and are known for their hard shells that protect them from predators. The life of a turtle begins when a female turtle lays eggs on land. The eggs are buried in the sand, and they hatch after a few months. Baby turtles, called hatchlings, must make their way to the water. As quickly as possible to avoid predators. Once in the water, the hatchlings will spend the first few years of their life swimming and feeding on small organisms. As they grow, they will begin to feed on larger prey, such as fish and crustaceans. Turtles can live for a long time, with some species living for over 100 years. As they age, turtles may become larger and slower, but they are still able to reproduce. Some species of turtles are known to migrate long distances, traveling thousands of miles each year to reach their breeding grounds. Throughout their life, turtles face many challenges, including habitat loss, pollution, and poaching. Despite these threats, turtles have managed to survive for millions of years, and with the help of conservation efforts, we can help ensure their continued survival for generations to come. This was a small topic about turtles. Please subscribe our channel for more video. Thanks for watching.